Welcome everyone to this video. So today we will discuss what are the main topics for digital design domain. Okay. So there will be two sections. One is for hardware and another will be for software. Okay. So this is for obviously undergrad or a freshers like entry level position for digital design. Okay. So main topic we need to study is Verilog HDL, right? HDL means hardware description language. So there are two mainly hardware description language, VHDL and another is Verilog. So you need to you need to comfortable with this Verilog HDL, right? This is the one of the most important. Then you need to study STA means static timing analysis. For static timing analysis, there will be some question related on setup time, hold time, setup time and hold time violations, clock skew. This type of question you will be asked. Okay, and for Verilog HDL, there will be some program you need to tell the answer. Okay, there will be some programs. Then comes basic sequential and combinational circuit, and you will find the question about latch, flip-flops, marks, decoder, encoder, adder, subtractor, etc. Okay, and in this section the question will look like this, you will be asked that design a NOT gate using a 2:1 marks. So this type of question you will be asked for from this section, and there can be question like you have a D flip-flop and there will be a input and a clock signal. Okay, and you have to predict what will be the output. Okay, depending upon the clock and the input signal. Okay, so first three are done. Then comes CMOS digital design. Okay, for this you have to study mainly CMOS inverter, like every prospect of CMOS inverter, like VTC curve, device physics, and everything related to CMOS inverter. Okay, then comes power dissipation of CMOS inverter. You know there are three types of power dissipation. You need to study them thoroughly. Then comes CMOS logic circuit. Okay, so this is one of the importance. Like you need to study here is static CMOS logic. Then you have to study pass transistor logic, and then you have to study like transmission gate logic. Okay, so for every logic family you will be asked like design AND gate or NOT gate or any other gate using this logic. Okay, or you can expect the question like you will have a you will have a digital circuit, and you will be asked that what is the logic, like this is AND logic or all logic and etc. Okay, so this type of question you will be asked in the interview and the online screening test as well. Then comes on digital design project, and it may be using Verilog. Okay, like if you have a if you have a project purely on digital design, then the selection, like the percentage of your selection will increase. Okay, like if any other candidate haven't any digital design project and you have a project on digital design, then your chances to get selected, to get the selection on this company will be more. Okay, so this was for hardware. Okay, this was for hardware section. And for software section you will study all of them, like all of this, and then extra you will have to study is a scripting language, okay, like part. Okay, so you have you will have to study scripting language very, in a good manner, like you have to answer them all of the questions in scripting language, okay, for the software domain. And now comes about the what are the resources, okay. And for Verilog you can study hardware modeling using Verilog from Professor Indranil Sengupta, a professor of IIT Kharagpur. Then for digital IC design you can follow Professor Janaki Raman, professor at IIT Madras. And for digital CMOS VLSI design you can follow Professor Sudev Dasgupta, professor at IIT Roorkee, okay. So these are some important resources for digital domain. Then for basic digital circuits you can follow Neso Academy YouTube channel or Engineering Funda or whatever you like. There are many YouTube channels, okay. And for static timing analysis you can study from book, and you can see the videos from YouTube as well, okay. So this was the main important topics you need to study in for digital domain. And I have two JDs of Synopsis, only is for hardware and another is for software, okay. So I will open the hardware part first, okay. You can like uh, you can see what are the job descriptions for these companies, okay. So I am scrolling down and you can take screenshots for your future reference, okay. So this was for hardware and this was for software, okay.